In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access iCloud Drive on any iPhone, a simple process that can be done in just a few minutes. Accessing iCloud Drive allows you to store and retrieve files easily across all your Apple devices, ensuring that you always have what you need at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, take your iPhone and locate the Files app. This app is represented by a blue folder icon and is typically installed by default on all iPhones. If you can't find it right away, try using the search function by swiping down on your home screen and typing Files. Once you have the Files app open, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap on the Browse option. The Browse view is where you'll manage your files and access different storage locations, including your beloved iCloud Drive. Next, you'll see a list of locations on your device. From this list, choose iCloud Drive. It's your personal cloud storage space where you can keep documents, photos, and more. If iCloud Drive appears in the list, simply tap it, and you'll be able to access all the files you have stored there. If iCloud Drive isn't immediately visible, don't worry, it might be because iCloud Drive is not yet activated on your phone. To fix this, you'll need to enable iCloud Drive through your iPhone settings. Exit the Files app and open your settings. At the top of the settings screen, you'll see your name along with an icon. Tap on this to open your Apple ID settings. Scroll down to find iCloud and tap on it. Here you should see iCloud Drive in the list. Make sure that the toggle next to iCloud Drive is switched on. If it's off, tap it to turn it on. When the toggle is green, iCloud Drive is enabled. With iCloud Drive turned on, return to the Files app. Again, access the Browse section and joyfully tap iCloud Drive from the list of locations. You should now see all of your files neatly organized and ready for you to open, modify, or share. Remember that iCloud Drive syncs across all your Apple devices, so any changes you make here will be reflected everywhere you use iCloud. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully accessed iCloud Drive on your iPhone. Now you can easily store and manage your files, ensuring they're always available whenever and wherever you need them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more features of iCloud to make the most of your Apple experience.